Finally here in Hong Kong. Hey gang gang skirt. Are you excited?
Yes.
Very, Emily. Okay, we're here.
As we're now preparing for takeoff, please enable the flight mode feature on your personal devices.
Okay, so right now we're on our second flight to Hong Kong from Malaysia, right?
Yes.
So one of the coolest things we got on the plane was this chocolate coated vanilla ice cream. It was so delicious and also creative. It tastes just like Magnum, but it's so much better.
Ooh, it's kinda hot in here, bro.
It's really hot. And you're wearing a hoodie.
Hi, Mom. Woo! So finally we managed to get to our hotel, Novotel in Nathan Road. It's currently 4 o'clock and we have to be in the Rainbow restaurant, floating restaurant at 5. How are we gonna make it there? Okay, enough talking. I bet you guys wanna see how good this hotel looks. B-roll time.
After settling in at our hotel rooms, we had to hurry to catch our boat to Rainbow Floating Restaurant in Lamma Island. It was a very tiring experience for all of us, but thank God we made it. It was so tiring to the fact that I fell asleep during the whole ride, so I didn't record much. So the food here was spectacular, but the problem was that this was a portion for a whole family and it was just the 4 of us. So it was pretty much overwhelming.
Ping.
I present to you a sneak peek to the Symphony of Lights in Hong Kong. So after the light show, we decided to walk back to our hotel and see the streets of Hong Kong at night.
I mean, 1.1 kilometers long.
Kang Fu.
After having lunch, we decided to go to Madame Tussauds and see the wax museum.
So right now we're at
kita gaya-gaya foto-foto 100 siya gitu 100 dolar ternyata. Mana siya binikannya tuh. Ya.
So to give more context of what is going on, after Madame Tussauds we decided to go to the top floor and see the Victoria Peak. We were directly escorted to do these picture takings and we took so many pictures, but they charged us per person in each picture. And we ended up spending so much money and it was so expensive. They basically scammed us.
Are you recording? Oh, seriously.
And after all that drama, we eventually took the X15 bus straight to Admiralty Station, then took the MTR to Jordan.
Yep. Okay, so we are on our way back. Which one? That one. Hey, what's up, guys? We're having dinner at the hotel with instant noodles.
What's that?
How's your noodles, Emily?
You ugly.
Things get even more weird.
Another morning at Hong Kong. Alright. Hey. Where are we going, Che?
Ocean Park.
Ocean Park, here we come. We're here, Ocean Park. Where should we go first? I don't even know. I'm not sure what's going on here. Thank you. Okay, pro tip going to Hong Kong. Get yourself a fast track. Fast track, fast track, fast track.
Okay, it's smooth.
We're going down. Okay, got it. Yeah, let's go.
Yes, drink.
Okay, so first stop, Marine World. Here we come.
Girl, perfectly hurt, broken hurt, soft and asleep in the morning gray. Shake off the night and don't hide your face. The sun lights the world with a single flame. I want you to see this. I want you to see this. stay. And all of your days, all wear your pain. Heal what I can in your troubled mind. Sometimes our bodies will hurt for some time, and the beauty in that can be hard to find. I want you to find it. I want you to see this. I want you to see.
Okay, we're gonna get to a job, I think.
Oh god. Careful,
Wake up and run, my little one.
So we just went to the water rapids and we decided to go to the South Pole place. It's so cold, man!
So cold, I'm freezing. I feel like an ice cream. That's your favorite? I didn't know that.
I need you to see this.
Went for it. And it's raining, y'all. Just gotta embrace it.
Girl, you'll see the world.
I think these are baby animals.
You're comfortable. If falling in love is a strange work of art, all of your battles will shape the world. And know that your scars are my favorite part.
Goodbye,
I
Ocean
want
Park.
you to know this.
Bye-bye. Go straight. Didn't make it.
Ini asap itu jelly yang Dede beliin buat mami di Hong Kong.
7-Eleven.
It's foggy, okay. And I touched the screen.
It's okay.
But I used my clothes at the end.
Nice. Everyday gym. 1, 2.
It's alright? It's already. Next one also?
No, it's already. This one is already done. Only this
Because
one.
this one is, I do this, the morning shift, I don't know
You
what.
don't know, yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Oh, that's the time. Sorry about that, I will tell him. Never doing like
Yeah,
that.
thank you.
That was a nice lady. I feel bad. It wasn't her shift though.
The problem is like when I reported to the reception downstairs, I tried to call them and then they asked me to instead of asking the housekeeping to try to fix this for me, they asked me to call the housekeeping here and the reception here.
Reception.
Yeah, the reception. I called them first because the housekeeping number is busy, so I called the reception downstairs and then asked them whether can they ask the housekeeping to clean my room, and then they said they cannot. You have to ask the reception on your floor to do that for you.
Apologize for that. Maybe the misunderstanding.
Yeah,
Yes.
and
So
then-
suppose this kind is a housekeeping job. Yeah. We will normally we will just inform the housekeeping and they will follow up. Yeah. Sorry about that. Yes. So I will transfer report all your issue from this room to the housekeeper, and tomorrow they will brief the team. And also, I know you have 2 rooms, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So during stay, we will take extra care for make up your 2 rooms.
No, it's okay. We're going.
Yeah, we're gonna check out
because
tomorrow.
We're moving to Disneyland Hotel tomorrow.
Oh.
Yeah.
Just because we are very tired, right? And then we get back to our room and it's dirty and messy. We're like,
Yeah.
About that. So would you like to have a drink in the? We're so tired now.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Yeah. But I apologize for the team and didn't satisfy your expectation. Yeah. So if next time when you're coming back, and just let me know, maybe I'll give you my name card. Yeah. It's my name card. Really nice to meet you, and I apologize for the issue.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Have a
Thank
nice
you.
trip in Disneyland.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Okay, Emily, so let's explain what just happened. Okay, so we just went home from Ocean Park, and then when we went to our hotel rooms, we saw that everything was still messy. The blanket wasn't changed, and then there was wet towels put on the bed.
And they didn't throw away the trash.
Yeah, they didn't throw anything, and everything was still here. And
But the only ini kayak apa?
okay, then you join here.
So when we arrived here around 7 p.m., we found out that the housekeeping didn't clean our room. They
Yeah.
only like
Clean it.
stack the pillow and then cover the bed, but still messy. And then they pulled the dirty towel on the top of our bed. And then still trashes in our room. And then they didn't wipe the tables. Basically, they didn't do anything, just folded the wet towel and then put it on the top of our bed. They asked me to complain to the receptionist upstairs. And then when I complained to the receptionist upstairs in our floor, she told me that it was my fault because I put the
Don't disturb
sign
yeah.
on the door. And then when I told her I didn't do that, and then she keep on telling me that I put that sign on our door. So I go back to my room and call the assistant manager, and then someone directly come here and clean our room.
Bed cover and the towel.
The towels, that's it.
Because the bed cover was wet from the wet towels on top of the bed. Wait, but are we sure that someone from the hotel went inside here? What if it was a stranger? Because that's so weird. Why would they fold wet towels on top of the bed? Yeah.
I mean, it was don't disturb sign, then no one would come in and fold it. I don't get it. I'm so confused, okay? I'll order this right.
Okay.
Strange things happened when we were in Disneyland.
Chef B with the recipe, yeah. With you it's a better me. I guess what I'm saying is I fucking